Coarctation of the aorta. Coarctation of the aorta refers to a narrowing of the main blood vessel carrying oxygen-rich blood from the heart to the body. The vessels before the coarctation see higher blood pressure than those after. Coarctation can sometimes be detected by differences in the blood pressure in the arms and legs. The degree of the narrowing determines how soon intervention is needed. Severe coarctation of the aorta is often found in the first few weeks of life. However, a less severe coarctation may go undiscovered for years.